Hello friends, welcome back to this channel. Today we will talk about petroleum in the Middle East. So let's start this video. Petroleum is a liquid fossil fuel formed in sedimentary rock under intense heat and pressure below the surface of the earth. It is one of the world's most important power resources used in transportation, heat production and chemical industry. Petroleum is extracted from the Earth's surface as crude petroleum, commonly known as crude oil. It is also known as black gold. Now we will talk about distribution of petroleum in the Middle East countries. The petroleum in the Middle East have more than 50% of world's known oil reserve and accounts for 30% of oil production of the world. The countries in the Middle East region, including Iran, Iraq, Syria, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia, Bahrain, Qatar, United Arab Emirates, Oman, and Yemen, constitute the richest oil region on the earth. Now we will discuss some of them one by one. First one is Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia holds second largest reserve with 16.2% of total oil reserves of the world in 2016. It is also the world's largest oil producing country with 13% of total oil production of the world. Major oil fields of Saudi Arabia are Al Khawar, Hafar, Daman, Shafnia, Shaiwa, Katif, Ghawar, etc. The Ghawar field is considered to be the largest conventional oil field in the world operated by Saudi Aramco. Second is Iran. Iran holds the second largest oil reserve in the Middle East. It has 9% of total world's oil reserve, ranking fourth in the world. The first oil was produced by Anglo-Iranian Company in 1908 and oil wells were developed in 1930. Major oil fields of Iran are Aghazari, Masjid-e-Sulaiman, Haftekal, Gulkhari, Maroon, Ahvaz, etc. The oil of this field is refined at Abadan Refinery, which is the largest oil refinery in the world. Third one is Iraq. Iraq is the third largest oil reserves in the Middle East. It has more than 7% of the world reserve of petroleum. Major oil fields of Iraq are Kirkuk and Mosul in the north, Dara in the center, and Az-Zubair and Rumalia in the south. Iraq exports 80% of its total oil production. Fourth one is Kuwait. Kuwait has 8% of total oil reserve of the world, ranking third in the world. The oil fields are situated almost over entire Kuwait. The major oil fields are Mina Al Ahmadi, Wafra, Burgan, Magawa Shawaria, Mingiz, etc. From here, oil is exported to the USA, Japan, and European countries. In 1991, during the Gulf War, Iraq caused heavy damage to Kuwait oil wells. Kuwait exports 98% of its total oil production. Fifth one is UAE, United Arab Emirates. The UAE is the fifth largest oil reserves in the world. Major oil fields are at Fez, Bumasha, Al Bundang, Buhasha, Murwan, etc. More than 90% of UAE reserves are held in Abu Dhabi, followed by Dubai and Sharjah.